Thanks for watching this time-lapse teardown. If you like this style of content, then you're sure to like some of the other videos that we've put out. Feel free to click one of these videos that are popping up, or if you want to see everything that we've done, it's easiest to just go to our channel here, and while you're there, you can click the subscribe button and like and comment on some of our stuff. We respond to all of the comments, and we really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that for us.